Another negative trait of the soul is linked to excessive praise and censure. This is when one excessively praises others when they are pleased, or excessively criticizes them when they are displeased. This occurs when one praises and censures others according to their own desires and whims, instead of doing it according to Islamic teachings. Meaning, one should praise those who Allah, the Exalted, praises and censure those Allah, the Exalted, censures without crossing the limits by uttering lies in praise or insulting others when criticizing. Criticism should always be constructive and done in a gentle manner privately. Those who contradict this manner only embarrass others and therefore only push them further away from accepting the truth. Praising others is a good method in encouraging them to do more good, especially children. But this should be done within limits, and one should never utter vain words or lies when praising others. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.